single stick or single bass string, and the 12 angles of strike, more commonly known in modern days is 12 striking technique. From square run stance, stepping to right foot fighting stance, like so. So back to square run stance. Stance idle, the fighting stance, and what we require from you. If you stepping to the right foot forward stance and bracing your weapon to start, it should be like this, like that. See how using my left hand and my right hand, edge of my hand brace against my weapon. The reason why we do this is because this is the meaty part of your hand. So if any strike gets delivered from your opponent or from your training partner with the weapon, it will come into contact with the edge of your hand, and it will be absorbed rather than with the back of your hand where the less meat is more on the bone. So you can feel the pain more easily that way than something like this. So now let's get into 12 strike. From the square position, fighting stance. You can do a stand like this, or you can start off like this. I like to do like that. Number 1, left temple. Number 2, right temple. 3, left elbow. 4, right elbow. 5, cross to the stomach. 6, cross to the chest. 7, reverse thrust to the chest. 8, backhand strike to the knee. That's the right knee of your opponent, of your training partner. 9, forehand strike to the left knee. 10, I cross to the eye or the face area, nose area, etc. Reverse thrust to the eye, face and nose area. And 12, a strike to the crown or to the head. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 striking technique or 12 angles of strike.